So you want to know which are the most viewed videos of any YouTube channel, but you are struggling with this. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out which are the most watched videos on any YouTube channel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I'm here on YouTube and I'm going to randomly just pick one channel. For instance, let me pick this channel. So I'm not going to watch the video, but I just click on the channel here. And when I click on the channel logo, I'll be taken to the channel's homepage. Now here you can see we have various categories such as for you, videos, and depending on the categories this creator has enabled, you'll be able to see quite a number of videos. However, you can see we don't have most channels listed in a chronological order. You can see this has garnered 2.7 million. You might think it is the video with the most views, but you can see we have another one here, so you can't tell which is which, and in fact this has even much higher. So if you want to find out videos that have the highest number of views, then just go ahead and tap on videos here. And when you tap on videos, now this will go ahead and give you more functionalities. Go ahead and look for popular option on this tab here. So if you can't see popular here, go to the latest here and you should see we have some categories here. We have popular. If you tap on popular, now you can see we have videos arranged with the video with the highest number of views appearing on the top. So you can see for this channel, this has 13 million, this has 11, 10, 10, 10, 9.9, and you can tell as you scroll down up to the video with the least number of views. And I can also go to any other channel. Let me just pick another random channel. For instance, if I pick this channel, I'll go ahead again and tap on videos, and you can see now popular is straight on this sub bar. If I tap on it, now videos will be listed according to the number of views, ranging from the highly watched or the most popular to the least popular. So that's how you can find videos with the highest number of views on YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.